Hey, Manohar this side. This is the case study of a coaching funnel that did Lasya $598 in the last 16 days with 0 ads. If you are a coach and you have an offer worth $2,000 to $10,000, this video is for you. In the next 5 to 6 minutes, I'll tell you how exactly we help Lasya to get results like those. So Lasya is a spiritual coach who was struggling to sell her coaching package. She was doing one-to-one coaching for $100, and she used to get 2 to 3 students on average every month. So here's what we did. We helped her go from around $598 per week with a hybrid funnel, which I'm gonna show you. In the last 35 days, one of our men's grooming clients started from 0 to 83K audience reach organically on Instagram. If you've been struggling with live webinars or challenge funnels just to eventually upsell your high-ticket offer, this hybrid funnel will completely change that. And I'm going to show you that right now. So first and foremost, the fastest and the most affordable way to get leads for your coaching business is by having this traffic source. We are using Instagram Reels here to go viral. A core piece of content that delivers value. You need to let your audience know that you are an expert in your niche, and you can help them achieve their desired goal. This content is basically gonna be something related to their pain point. And secondly, to deliver this value to your target audience, you need to have a landing page. In exchange for their email, you're providing them with a video that educates them on how to solve a big problem they have been facing, one which you are watching. The third element. In order to sell high tickets, ranging anywhere from $2,000 to over $10,000, you need to get on the phone with your prospect, so that you can see if they are a good fit for your coaching program or not. We use some free tools. So not everyone who watches your video is gonna book a call with you. For that, you need to have a strong follow-up sequence in the form of emails. Now, why use this? This mail sequence will help you convert those people who watched the video but didn't book a call. That means more phone calls for your coaching without spending any extra money. Now you need to bring in traffic to your funnel through social media. Or maybe paid ads. And it's gonna be easy to get people into your funnel because you have something valuable to offer. Once you have the system in place, all you need to do is get on the calls and close deals. No upsells, no depending on referrals, and no live webinars. This is gonna be your own high-ticket sales machine. Here's why this works so well. From what we've seen, the average conversion rates for phone call bookings are 15% to 27%. So if you bring 100 visitors a day to your home page, 40 to 50% of them will opt in to watch the value video. And 40 to 50% is 40 to 50 people. Out of 40 people, if we go with a 15% conversion, you'll be having 6 sales calls. 6 sales a day from 100 visitors. Even if you close one deal every 2 days at $2,000 price, you'll be making $30,000 a month. So now you're probably wondering, all this is good, the value is great, and what's in it for you? Well, as I said, I'm not here to offer you another coaching program. But I have an offer for you. How would you like it if this entire high-ticket sales machine is designed and optimized for your business? Look, if you have a great service, and you've worked with clients before, I can guarantee you more sales and appointments. Mr. Mard, keto meals are my doubted clients, who are surprised of my results later, with organic leads and traffic to their business in short time. And if you're seeing this video right now, that means there are spots still open. So I would like to invite you to book a call with me, where we'll have a friendly chat and see if we can work together. And well, let me be honest here. I don't want to try and sell you something. All I want is to explore your problems and see if what we have at our table can fix that. So book a call by clicking the button below, and I'll see you soon. Have a great day or good night if you're going to bed.